Understanding cryopreservation of sperm. Hey everyone! Welcome to IdeaZoom Academy. Today, let's talk about cryopreservation of sperm, a cool science that helps store life for the future. What is cryopreservation? Imagine you have ice cream. If you leave it outside, it melts. But if you put it in the freezer, it stays fresh for a long time. Cryopreservation is like that, but for sperm cells. Scientists freeze them so they can be used later. Why do we freeze sperm? If someone is sick and taking treatments like chemotherapy, their ability to have babies might be affected. People who want to have kids later but don't want to take risks can freeze their sperm. It also helps in donation programs and fertility treatments. How does it work? Collection. Sperm is collected in a lab. Mixing with cryoprotectant. A special liquid is added to protect the sperm from damage. Freezing. The sperm is slowly cooled down to 196 hectare using liquid nitrogen. Storage. It is stored in special tanks and can stay frozen for years. Thawing. When needed, it is carefully warmed up and used for fertility treatments. Is it safe? Yes. Many babies have been born using frozen sperm. Scientists make sure the process is safe and effective. So that's how cryopreservation helps save life for the future. If you found this interesting, like, share, and subscribe to IdeaZoom Academy.